friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Life processes in living organisms. Chapter 15, Part 2, Class 9, Science and Technology, Part 2. Dear students, in this video we will see Part 2 of Chapter 15. On the channel, you will get easy point-wise short answer for the numerous questions and exercise questions. For more educational and motivational videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Question 4. Name the hormones of the following endocrine glands and the function of each. Pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, thymus, testes, ovary. Endocrine gland, pituitary. Hormone, growth hormone. Function, stimulates growth of bones. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulates adrenal gland. Thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates thyroid gland. Prolactin stimulates milk production. Follicle stimulating hormone controls growth of gonads. Luteinizing hormone controls menstrual cycle and ovulation. Oxytocin contracts uterus during parturition. Antidiuretic hormone regulates water level in the body. Endocrine gland, thyroid. Hormone, thyroxine. Function, controls growth of body and metabolic activities. Calcitonin controls calcium metabolism and calcium level in blood. Endocrine gland, adrenal gland. Hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Function, controls behavior during crisis and emotional situations. Hormone, corticosteroid. Function, stimulates heart and its conducting tissue and metabolic processes. Maintains balance of sodium and potassium ion and stimulates metabolism. Endocrine gland, thymus. Hormone, thymosin. Function, controls the cell which gives rise to immunity. Endocrine gland, testes. Hormone, testosterone. Function, stimulates growth of secondary sexual characteristics like beard, moustache, hoarse voice, etc. in men. Endocrine gland, ovary. Hormone, estrogen. Function, stimulates growth of endometrium. Stimulates growth of secondary sexual characteristics in women. Progesterone prepares the endometrium for conception and maintains the pregnancy. Question 5. Draw and label the diagrams. Human endocrine glands, human brain, nephron, nerve cell, human excretory system. Answer. Human endocrine glands. Answer. Brain. Answer. Nephron. Answer. Nerve cell. Answer. Human excretory system. Dear students, for question 1 to 3, please watch previous video for this chapter. Like and share the video with your friends. Question 6. Answer the following. Explain chemical coordination in humans and give the names and functions of some hormones. Answer. The chemical coordination in humans is brought about with the help of certain chemicals called hormones. Hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are also called as ductless gland. Hormones reach all parts of the body via blood. Action of hormones is slow but long-lasting. Hormones and their function. Growth hormone stimulates growth of bones. Thyroid-stimulating hormone stimulates thyroid gland. Prolactin stimulates milk production. Adrenocorticotropic stimulates adrenal gland. Explain the difference between the excretory system of humans and plants. Excretory system of humans. Excretory system of plants. In human beings, it is a complex process. In plants, it is a simple process. Excretory system for excretion is present. No special organ for excretion is present. Urea, uric acid and ammonia are nitrogenous waste. Graphite, resins, gums, latex are the excretory products of plants. Excretory materials are carried out by excretory system. Waste materials are stored in vacuoles of leaf cells, flowers, fruits and barks. Explain coordination in plants with the help of suitable examples. Answer. Coordination in plants occurs due to their response to stimuli. Movement or growth of any part of the plant to an external stimuli is called tropism or tropic movement. Movement of plants related to growth are called growth-relevant movement. And movements which do not relate to plant growth is called growth-irrelevant movement. Types of tropism. Phototropic movement. Movement of plant towards the source of light, example, should grow towards light. Gravitropic movement. Response to gravitation, example, root grow towards gravity. Hydrotropic movement. Response to water, example, root grow towards water. Chemotropic movement. Response to chemical. Example, growth of pollen tubes towards ovule. Question 7. Explain in your own words with suitable examples. What is meant by coordination? Answer. The different processes in the body always occur in the proper sequence, which is called as a coordination. Life can function smoothly if there is a coordination between all of these different organ systems or organs and the stimuli in the surrounding. Example, beating of heart and respiration is always correlated with each other. How does excretion occur in human beings? Answer. The excretory system of the human consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureter, 1 urinary bladder and a single urethra. Nephron is a functional unit of the kidney. Urine is produced due to filtration of blood in the nephron. In nephron, there is cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, which has a network of capillaries called as a glomerulus. Blood is filtered through capillaries of glomerulus for separating urea and other substances. Solution from Bowman's capsule then passes to proximal convoluted tubule. Useful substances are reabsorbed into the blood from tubules. Unwanted substances are separated out and this forms the urine. The urine that is formed is carried by the ureter to the urinary bladder. Bladder is under voluntary control of nerve. Urination can take place to the urethra by one's own will. How is excretion in plants useful to human beings? Answer. Waste materials of plants are stored in vacuoles of leaf cells, flowers, fruits and barks. All these parts of plant are useful to man as manure and for various purposes. Graphite, resins, gums are the excretory products of plants, but they have various uses for man. The latex of rubber gives various rubber products. Describe the transportation system in plants. Answer. The transportation system in plants occur due to root pressure and transpiration pull. Similarly, due to translocation, the phloem carries the food as per requirement of the plant. The conducting system of the plant such as xylem and phloem help in the transport of water and food respectively. Like and share the video with your friends.